Hi, hello, good morning everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Planting Peppers, Jamaican Farming. Today we'll be moving back to some of our previous crops. In our previous videos, these were our nurseries. As you see here, after 3 weeks, they're performing very lovely. You can see some with probably 6 to 7 leaves, some 8 and some 9 leaves. What we'll be doing today, we'll be molding and cleaning and removing the bad weeds. So firstly, I'll start by molding our crops and I'll remove any bad weeds. As we said, we stress on cleaning our beds because we try to lower insect bites. And if you look closely here, you can see that one of these crops are badly damaged by insect bites. So that's why we stress on keeping our beds clean and keeping our crops mold and fresh. Yes. So I'll continue by cleaning and molding, and as you see closely or you take a closer look up, you can see that our crops, they have been molded regularly, but we still try to keep them mold so their roots stay fresh and they'll stay fresh as well. And if you observe closely, you can see that there are some of these crops which still look like our nurseries, and you still have some looking like our 2-month crops as well, and some of our 6 weeks, because some of the crops, they'll get more mineral than some of the others, or if some is damaged and is going through a rebudding process, then it will take a longer time for it to move forward. As you see here, this crop was damaged in its earlier stage, so you can see that the new starting leaves, they're just beginning to sprout now. So if you see, you can see that the crop was performing very well, but after its early stage it was damaged, so it has to go through a rebudding process. Or you can find where there is not much soil where the plant is at, so they'll perform very slowly because they're not getting enough minerals. Well, we'll still move forward to cleaning and molding our beds. And yes, if you watched our previous videos, you would have seen that these crops, a few weeks ago, these were our nurseries. They were very small, probably about 4 to 5 leaves. But now, have you see these crops? They're taking off very well. Yes. So now they're more likely in their 6-week process, 6 to 7 week process. So they're very green, they're lovely, they're fresh. Yes. So as I said, we're just really cleaning and molding our beds and removing any bad weeds. Yes. So we're getting rid of the bad weeds. What we try to do, we try to keep our crops cool, so we mow regularly. So if we don't get any heavy showers, or if we do get any heavy showers, it doesn't wash the soil away from the plant. So all the mineral will stay right where the plant is, for them to produce very fresh and nice fruit. So I'll just continue to mold our crops, and as you see, our trees, they're looking very lovely. Sometime if I wasn't good at this, I would say, wow, was those really 4-week crops 3 weeks ago? Yes, but this is the work that we put in. So we try to keep our crops very molded. We try to keep our beds clean from insects, so our crops won't get damaged. So as we maintain molding our crops and cleaning, you can see the difference. You can see that the chlorophylls, they're very green, they're pretty, they're nice, and you'll see that they're gonna produce a lot of good quality fruits and seeds as well. Yeah. So as we continue to clean and mold and remove our bad weeds, you can see yes. As you see, the peppers, they're performing very well. Yes, very well. So as you see, we're really molding in our crops. And in this time of weather in Jamaica, as I mentioned, it's rainy season. So we get a lot of early showers. Sometimes we get a little late shower as well. So if you take a closer look, you can see that the soil, it is very moist. Yes. So our soil, the quality is very good. So it keeps our peppers fresh. So we'll have lovely crops. So as you see, our peppers, they are very lovely, and they're only 6 weeks now since transplanted, and you can see that they're looking very lovely and awesome. So thanks for watching our videos. Please do remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel at Planting Peppers Jamaican Farming. Have a good day. Goodbye.